Hello and welcome to a CAD System free online course. For this session, we're going to take a look on the viewpoint. So what this does is allowing you to save your view. So to do that, you can go to the viewpoint tab at the top over here. And to open up the viewpoint that has been saved before, you can click at the small arrow down here. So this will showing up all of the list, the view that I have. So this is just an example of the view that I have been captured or saved. So if I click here, it will show this area here. I can click here, it's basically showing me at the top area here. So if you notice this, I also have a third person that can be saved into the viewpoints and so on. I also have the markup or a tag that I have added over here that can be saved, and you can basically find it using the viewpoint over here. So this is just an example. Let's say if I would like to have a new viewpoint, I would like to create and save, let's say this particular view over here, for examples. You can save it, and it affect on many things. It's not just direction of the camera. If you change your field of view, if you add a third person's, that one will be added as well. So currently I'm changing the field of view perspective around 97s, and I would like to save this. So to save, you can use the save viewpoint button here, and it will save this, and you can rename. Let's say I would like to rename as a top front area. So that is my view that I have saved before. So I can have different type of view as well. For example, I would like to have another one at the car park over here. And over here, I would like to add third person. So I can just turn on the third person from here. So let me just make it slightly touch on the ground. And I want to save it, so I can use the save viewpoint from here. So other area is that you can also save viewpoint directly from the viewpoint tab over here. So just right click, and you can select save viewpoint, and I can name this one as a third person. So I have that. So other things that you can do is that you can also edit your view. So one of the ways is that you can right click your view. So maybe I would like to make some adjustment on my view directions or my positions. So if I move my view, that one does not actually save the view that I have saved over here. So if I were to click here, so it will send us back to the start. So to save or to edit a new view, so you can just right click, and we have the update button over here. And first of all, you can adjust the positions. Let's say I would like to position to be 80, to be negative 20, for examples, and look at, maybe I would like to adjust the angle from here, let's say to be 60, for examples. This one, let's say to be negative 10 degree, for examples, if I want to change the field of view. So different type of view that you can change from here. So maybe for horizontal field of view, maybe I change to, let's say, 80. And once I'm done, I can just click OK. So this will be the new view that we have saved inside the viewpoint that we have over here. So that is one of the way that you can save. Other way is that you can just manually move it around that we've done before. Okay, maybe I would like to adjust the mouse downwards and view on this area here. Maybe adjust some field of view as well. So this is the view that I want to save. So instead of right click and edit, so what I can do is that I can just use update from here. And basically, if I click, you will find your new view has been updated. So either you update manually using the edit, or you can just update, move around, and you can use this update button here. Other things that you can do from the viewpoint here, you can also add some comments that you want. So for example, the tag here, we already have a comment. If I go to the review here, I can select view comment and have here. So that is using tag. If I don't want to add a tag, I just want to add some comments. So you can just right click and add comment directly from here. Okay, let's say I would like to add a view from key area, for example. So you will have a comment without a tag, right? So you can just directly add a comment from the viewpoint over here. Other things, you can also export the data that you have over here or the viewpoint that you have over here. And you can share these viewpoints to other people's. There are two methods. So one, if you right click, you can export a viewpoint, or you can export a viewpoint report. So if other people's already have these particular models that they can access, so you can just use the export viewpoint. It's basically going to export all the sales that you have over here, and then you can just re-import back. So I would like to right click and export viewpoint, and I'm just going to leave it the name as this, and I'm going to save this. Now let's say the other people that have access to this file, and then they want to see what you have saved. So what you can do is that you can use this import viewpoint. So currently from my side here, I already have everything here. So let me just delete everything from here. And let's say I start from fresh and I want to bring that. So what I can do is that I can just use import viewpoint, and I can select the viewpoint that I've added, and then they can see all of the view markup and also comment that you have added before. So that is one of the way for you to save a viewpoint. Other way is that you can send as a report instead. So this one is if the person does not have this model or does not have this Navisworks file, they can use the, you can send them a report instead. So for that, I can send a viewpoint report. So they will be saved as HTML. So I need to create a folder first because there will be multiple picture that I have captured here, and it will save on that location. So I'm gonna name this one as a report, and I'm going to go inside here, and I will to save back inside. So if I were to open back again that folder, the second one. So if I open this drawing or this HTML file, now I should be able to see the view that I have seen before. So including some of the comment that I have added inside here. Right, so that is the export, the viewpoint, and also the report. So other thing that you can do with the viewpoint here is that you can also record some animations or camera movement. So maybe I would like to see the area inside over here. Right, I would like to make some quick animations. So to do that, you can go to the save viewpoint. If you drop down here, we have record button. You can click here and you can just start move and navigate around. And once you've done that, I can click stop, and you'll find your animation that you have over here. And you play the animations and it will repeat back what you have done before. So maybe this animation not very smooth because I'm using my navigation tools. Other things is that you can capture the view one by one, and you can create that using the animation set. So currently I'm going to create or add an animation from here. And so I'm just going to name this one as animation set. And I'm going to capture this area here. So save viewpoint, and I want to move at this view, capture, and then I want to move at this view, capture, and I want to move at this view, for example, and I capture. So currently it's not yet inside of the animation set. So let me just select all four of these, and I can just add it inside here. When I select this animation set, I can hit play, and you will see the animation that I captured based on viewpoint and another viewpoint. So I believe this is much better for view. So if you would like to change the speed of this, so you can right click on animation set and select the edit, and you can change the speed for this animation set.